right, sixth graders, you are on your final task for the Skimmer project, task number 6, and this is the conclusion question. So you're going to answer all of the conclusion questions as you reflect on your progress and process of going through the Skimmer project. Remember to go in as much detail as you can, talking about your experience, because you are the one who did it. So be very detailed when you give your answers. And your essential question is, was your skimmer successful? Now, you are the judge of that, and you want to give reasons why you think it was or was not successful. That is your essential question that you'll see at the top of task number 6. So you click on that here. It'll take you down first to your essential question, and then the conclusion question. So you have 4 of them that are must-do. What was your biggest challenge working on the skimmer? What was easy about it? What was the farthest your skimmer traveled, and why did you think it was able to go that far? So hopefully you had a chance to skim it as far as you can and measure what that distance is. So you're just simply recording that answer here. And how did completing the skimmer help you to improve your measurement skills? So obviously having to use that ruler, measure to a fraction of an inch, talk about your experience doing that. After that, then you have a few more questions that are the should do and aspire to do. And so this question, during the evaluating process, did you make any adjustments to your skimmer to get it to travel further? What were the adjustments you made, and why did you make those changes? So be specific with that. If you didn't make any adjustments, why didn't you? Just give a reason. Don't just say, no, I didn't. Try to be detailed and explain what your reason is for why you did or did not make adjustments. Explain why your skimmer was more or less successful than your classmates. So if yours went the furthest, why did other people not go as far? If yours didn't go as far, what did other people do, you think, that allowed their skimmer to go further? If you had to do this all over again, what changes would you make? And then the aspire to do question, do you think that the distance your skimmer went could be attributed more to your throwing technique or the quality of your created skimmer? And so was it so much a matter of the power you used or the angle that you threw it? Or was it more important that you had the measurements and your skimmer assembled correctly? So try to explain why you think that is. And then you are done with task number 6. Talk about one thing you learned and an example of success that you had.